creative friends, welcome to my channel, and here we are. I am ready to cook, and this is Pantry Cooking for Two Tuesday after I was gone on a cruise for 2 weeks and had all the cooking done for me. And I'm going to tell you what, it was such good food and it was amazing. But the cool thing was I saved all the menus, and I am going to kind of see which ones of those I might be able to recreate, because there were some of them that are fantastic. And I will also say, one of the things that I appreciated that brought back the importance of doing to me, and we're doing it since we've been home a week. Well, not even a week. We've been home 5 days. One of the things I thought was cool is every single meal they had like a little buffet of fruits and cheeses. And so in the evening, instead of going and getting a dessert, I would go and get like a small plate, and I'd get some like cantaloupe and maybe some grapes and a couple little squares of cheese. And that's what I would have as a snack. And I'm so proud of myself because I was on a 2-week cruise and did not gain a single pound. Now, I didn't lose, but I didn't gain. So I'm excited about that. But today, I've decided I wanted to do something with chicken, and I just don't feel like I have so many things to catch up on after being gone for 2 weeks. I just want to put something in the slow cooker and forget it. And then I kind of thought, well, what can I make? And then I realized I have the balsamic onion jam that I made. I did a video on it. I'll link it down in the description. This stuff is amazing. It's amazing on burgers. It's amazing on pork chops. And I think it's going to be amazing on slow cooked chicken. So this is going to be super simple. I've got 2 chicken breasts, and I know there's 4 pieces here, but chicken breasts nowadays are so big. Like, they're huge. And so I just feel better cutting them down into a smaller piece that's just a little bit easier, and it's not such a big portion. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put these in my slow cooker, and then I'm going to take my balsamic jam and I'm going to put it into my measuring cup, and I'm just going to add enough water to it to kind of loosen it up so that it's more liquid, because there's going to be some liquid that comes out of this chicken. Now, I could add chicken broth with it, but I think that water's just going to be fine. So let me go ahead, and I am going to spray the inside of my slow cooker a little bit with some nonstick spray, and I'll put the chicken in there. Then I'm going to open the jam and put it in the jar or in the measuring cup, and I'll come back and show you how I add the liquid. Alright, I've got my chicken in the slow cooker, and I sprayed it a little bit with some nonstick spray. And now I'm going to take my balsamic jam, and notice how I have this little spatula. This is one of those Pioneer Woman. I got it from Walmart. And the best thing is it fits in jars wonderfully, and it keeps you from using metal utensils in your jars, because you don't want to do that. Now, you might want to just use half of one of these. I'm not worried. I have so many. I don't know why. I was on a, oh gosh, this smells so good. I was on a balsamic onion jam kick, and I probably have 12 jars of this, and I need to figure ways to use it. But actually, I really like it the best on burgers, on pork chops, and I have a feeling that this is going to also be one of my faves. Okay, so I'm going to put a little water in there. And does it matter? No. It's however you want it, and I think that that's about right. That was just maybe 1/4 cup. Yeah, I might add a little tiny bit more. Just want it smells so good, and it's going to be so good. So what am I going to serve this with? I have already decided. I am going to serve this with brown rice and then some green beans, and I think that that's going to be marvelous. Just to put the brown rice there and put a chicken breast with some of this over it. So I might add a little bit, this is about a 1/2 cup of water to a one little jar, a 4-ounce jar. Okay, that's mixed up. I didn't even need my little whisk. Okay, I love this stuff. Okay, I'm going to show you. So I have a crock pot. Okay, anyone's asking about this, they ask me every single time. This is a Hamilton Beach crock pot or slow cooker that I got a long time ago. I don't even know that they sell it anymore, but if you find one, they are phenomenal, because it has a 2, 4, and a 6 quart insert. Right now I'm using the 4 quart. I could probably get away with the 2 quart, but in fact, nah, I'm not going to worry about it. I could probably get away with the 2 quart, but it also has a warm, low, and high setting. And what you do is you put it in there and you push the bowl size, so I'll push the 4, and then I will turn it around to low, medium, or warm, low, or high. And so I'm going to put this in here, And because it's still pretty early in the day, I think I'm just going to put this on low for a few hours. It'll probably take about, well, maybe 5 hours or something until those are cooked through. You want to make sure that the internal temperature is cooked all the way through. And then, there we have it. I'm going to put that on 4. I'm going to do it on low and push the 4. So now it knows I'm using the 4-quart. If you can find one of these, this has been my favorite slow cooker of all time. And I hope that it never goes away. Yeah, see, it's lit, the 4. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, the 4, and it's on low. And I'm going to let this go. And then maybe about, I don't know, 45 minutes or something before we're ready to eat, I will bring out my little Instant Pot because I like to use that to do my rice. It always turns out perfectly. And I'm going to do brown rice. And then I'm going to do a side of green beans. And that will be dinner. So there you go. What was that? 5 minutes? And I'm done. So simple. All right, I'll bring you back when it's finished, and I dish it up, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, friends, I've got it all dished up, and what I did was I took the chicken and just kind of broke it apart on the brown rice with green beans, and then I took that awesome balsamic onion jam sauce and put over it all, and it is delicious. I already tried a little bit of it. So good. Anyway, this is a great way to use the balsamic onion jam. Great way to just make an easy dinner that's still delicious. And this is perfect for 2. You can see that half of that chicken breast is a perfectly fine serving. So I'll even have some more of this tomorrow for lunch, and I'm thinking about just shredding it up and heating it and maybe melting some cheese over it and making kind of a really awesome sandwich for lunch. So 2 meals out of 2 chicken breasts, and they're both super easy, and it's because I had the balsamic onion jam on my pantry shelf, and there you have it. Pantry Cooking for 2 Tuesday. I hope you give it a try. If you do, let me know how you like it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.